Hello everyone, thanks for tuning back into VTV. I'm your host Carrie Lynn. Today we are going to be making our way up to Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. I'm going to show you guys why Idaho is known as the Gem State, and I have something very exciting in this video. Fantasy is getting new graphics. This has been so long awaited. I've had them ordered for quite some time, but a very special friend of mine is my graphics designer, and he's also going to help me install them on this trip. So I can't wait for you guys to see the look for my van. I'm so excited. She's not going to be just white. Well, kind of ish, but anyways, thanks for tuning in, you guys. All right, real quick before we head to Coeur d'Alene, we're going to make a couple little stops, and one of them is a very special place to me. I'm not going to give the location, but I will tell you that if you're interested in garnets, you can look up online. There's a place for St. Marie's, Idaho, where you can actually go and dig garnets at a site. They provide everything, and it's a very minimal free, and it's an amazing experience. But here you can kind of see in the river all the garnets piled up just in the water, literally gems in the river. It's so beautiful. I love living in the Gem State. Super cool, you guys. Just sitting there being all cute. Welcome to the forest, little buddy. May the forest be with you. Mojo, may the forest be with you, buddy. A museum in here. This is so cool. Look at this. And storage compartments and drawers and stuff. Oh my gosh, the kitchen. No way. This is crazy. This is so awesome. I've never been in here. Seriously, this is so cool.
Picture?
Nope, ready again.
Hold on.
Okay. Okay, thank you. How's it feel to be in there?
Oh, you can go in there.
No, thanks.
Go ahead.
No way, Jose. You'll hold the door. Oh my goodness. It's hot. Richard. Baby, that's not nice at all.
Look at this lock. Let me get a picture of you.
Get a picture. pizzas. Making homemade pizzas. Got 3 of them in there. Kind of got to switch each one around so they brown on top. It works pretty quick and fast. Charging the jack right. Fans blowing the smell around. Got the lights on. Getting graphics on the van tomorrow, so we're just camping in Coeur d'Alene tonight, basically right outside of town. The super top secret spot. I'd tell you, but I'd have to kill you. Anyways. Yes, and look what you have. Oh yeah. Homemade sausage pepperoni pizza. Pizza van style. God, they all look really good. Yeah. Okay. What an amazing place to call home right now, right? Got my little sandals on my mat. Welcome home. Yeah. This is my home currently right now. We're in Beauty Bay, outside of Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. It's one of my favorite places on earth, and we're just stopping here for a few minutes. Walk through the water. I tell Richard these boots are like my tires for my body. They let me go wherever the hell I want to go. Yeah, across the creek. Pretty cool. In the forest. Look at the size of that tree over there. Well, I think it's like 3 trees in one, but it's huge. Trees are huge. Water. Talk about being one with nature. All right, you guys, we got the call. My graphics are in and they're ready to be installed. So we're going to head to town. I'm super excited. All right, you guys, we finally get to see Mom. Yay! We are going to be picking up my mom. We're going to be heading up to Canada. And this is where I got some really, really cool stuff to share with you guys. So I hope you guys stay tuned for my next video after this. Some of hopefully my best footage I've ever gotten ever is going to be in my next video. So stay tuned, you guys. I got lots to show you.